Hello everyone and welcome to day 14 of our 2022 challenge. We're finishing off strong with my favorite, a feel good vinyasa flow. So let's jump right into it and begin starting on the knees. Just starting with some simple breath linking. Inhale, lift the arms above your head, cross the arms, and exhale, bring them back down to your sides. Start to immediately tune into your breath. Start to move the body. Bring in that mind to body connection. And become more present. Deep inhales and soothing exhales. Good, last one. Next, inhale, lift the arms up, interlace the fingers, and come up into a kneeling position. The chest lifts, find a little back bend, press the arms upwards. Exhale, lower down, inhale, come back to kneeling, and this time tuck the toes under, enter into your forward fold at the back of the mat. Good, interlace the fingers behind your head, round down and get a little bit of a back stretch by tucking the chin in. Then inhale, lift up, lift the chest. Exhale, tuck back down, roll downwards. Good. Inhale, lift up. Use the glutes to lift, then open the chest, elbows pull away. Exhale, lower back down. Inhale, lift up. Good, keep it going. Take it as slow as you need and link your breath. Try and find a rounding in the upper spine. Gentle with the neck pull. Good, this time hold it at the top, interlace the fingers again, and exhale, lower down. Walk the hands forward into your plank. Come down onto the forearms. Hold a low plank for just a moment. Make sure those hips aren't too low. Keep them in line with the shoulders. Good, pivot on to the side. So the right forearm is on the mat. Lift the left arm up. The feet can stack or be placed one in front of the other. Exhale, change sides. Left arm down, right arm reaches up. Hold steady, don't collapse into the bottom shoulder. Good, come back to your low plank, and then lift the hips up from here. Come back onto the hands and to your downward dog. Good, take 2 full inhales and 2 soothing exhales. And then we're going to kick it up a notch by adding in some lizard swaps. So try and step that right foot on the outside of the hands. Come back to down dog, and then the left foot steps on the outside. Bring that leg as far to the side as you need to be able to make this step up a little bit easier, or place some blocks under the hand to give yourself more space. Good, 2 more. Inhale, step forward. Exhale back. Last one should be the right side stepping forward now. Inhale, right side to the right hand. Take your time to get here. Good, then from here, inhale, lift up, place the hands down, so they're now better squared around that right foot, and then kick that left leg up as high as it can go for your standing splits. Bend the front knee if you need to. Good, squeeze the left glute, bring it a little higher, and then bend the right knee, tuck the left leg to the nose. Inhale, kick that leg back up. Exhale, if you have blocks, place them under the hands for this too if you want that extra space. Good, kick that leg back up. Last one, knee to nose. Send the leg up. And then from here, we're going to step the left foot on the outside of the left hand. Lower down for a very low bent knee forward fold. If you're not able to get the forearms down, that's fine. Just place the hands on the mat. Good, inhale. Step the left foot back, right foot back. Come into your dolphin pose. Forearms now do meet the mat. Try and send the chest through the arms towards the feet. Good, knees come down. Enter child's pose. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, downward dog. Good. From here, 5 more step ups into lizard pose. Swapping sides. Left leg first this time. Lift the chest. Step back. Right leg second. Step back. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, right leg forward. Back. And this time we want to end up on the left side. So take your time to get there. Left leg forwards. Find your lizard pose. From here, inhale, arms lift forward. Exhale, place them down so they are near the left foot in a more balanced way. Lift the right leg as high as it can go. Squeeze the right glute. Inhale and exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, kick it back up. Exhale, knee to nose. Good. Modify this. The knee does not have to reach the nose if it's too difficult. Last one, knee to nose. Kick it back up. And then again, land on the outside of the right hand. Fold forward for a deeper forward fold. Nice deep inhale. And on the exhale, step the feet back. Forearms come down to the mat for dolphin pose again. Make sure you're using the shoulder blades to hold you up nice and strong. Knees come down. Enter child's pose. One more deep breath. And roll it forwards. Exhale, hips up. Inhale, walk to the top of your mat. Halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift up to mountain. Interlace the fingers. Again, find a little back bend. And then exhale, lift the left leg up. Surround the shin. Hands come onto the hips and add 3 hip circles here. So leading with the knee, big circles. And step the left leg back into your crescent lunge. Hands stay on the hips, elbows pull back, lift the chest. Inhale, arms lift up, interlace the fingers yet again, and exhale, hands come down. Reach the right leg up, 3-legged dog to downward dog. Inhale, walk forwards, halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale, lift up, interlace the fingers, back bend. Exhale, bring the hands over the right shin as you tuck the knee in. Then hands come onto the hips, add 3 big hip circles, leading with the knee. Good, then from here, step that right leg back. Lift the chest, hands on the hips, pull the elbows back. Reach the arms up, interlace the fingers yet again, and exhale, hands down, left leg lifts all the way up and lowers to downward dog. Good, we're going to keep this pace going. Walk the hands back, interlace the fingers, this time flip the palms, lift up into mountain pose. Find that upper body stretch. Exhale, lower only halfway. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower, so using the glutes and a little bit of the back. Lift up, exhale to lower, inhale to lift. Doesn't have to be far at all, only where you begin to feel the hamstring stretch, but can keep the back long. Good, last one, release the hands and lift the right leg up. Starting with some standing balances. So option 1 is here, just bringing that knee in towards the side of the body. Option 2, the more intermediate, is kicking that right leg out to the side for hand to big toe pose. Left arm comes into a cactus, a bend, 90 degrees in the left elbow. Again, option 2 is here with the shin. Good, bring that leg back in. Again, interlace the fingers, flip the palms, lift up, mountain pose. Lower it back down and lift. Keep it going, link your breathing. Take it as slow as you need to. Be gentle with your back in this movement. Good, release the clasp. Lift that left leg up and either hold on to the shin, cactus the right arm, or maybe go for the hand to big toe. Couple deep breaths. You got this. Hold as sturdy as you can. Use a wall if you need to. Good. One more breath. And bend that left knee. Bring it back to the middle. Nicely done. Inhale, arms lift. Exhale, fold. And take a little hop to the middle of your mat here. We're going to come into a toe stand. So toes point outwards, heels meet at the middle or almost meet, and knees open to the sides. Again, interlace the fingers. And exhale, bring the palms to your chest and try and hold your balance here. Either stay there or go a little bit deeper and bring the elbows to the ground. Almost like a bound angle, but we are balancing. Good. From here, take a seat on the mat, lift the legs up. Either come into boat pose with the bend in the knees and the hover, or grab the feet for the full boat pose. Then from here, left foot meets the right thigh, fold down towards that right foot. If you're more intermediate, then maybe grab the wrists here. If not, bend that knee, stay wherever you feel comfortable. Respect that left leg as well, don't force into this. Just release. Our last deep hamstring stretch for this challenge. Good. Inhale, lift back up, grab the feet, or again, bend the knees. And from here, right foot meets the left thigh, lift the arms and take a fold. Maybe grabbing the wrists around the foot or bending the knee. Just forgive yourself for whatever part of the journey you're on. Little Tiggsy joint for the stretching session at the end here. It's been a while since he's code starred in one of my videos. Good. Inhale, lift back up, find a seat, and we will finish there. So thank you so much for joining me these past 14 days, and I hope you feel much more free within your body, or maybe have built or have started to build a fantastic new habit. Either way, I will see you soon, and stay tuned for a bonus video. Thank you, and see you again.